Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from two state government universities, and these are the permanent posts. There is no written test and all, direct interview will be there based upon the selection of your applications. And here it is a level 10 category, so that's why the salary may be in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And here the UGC NET qualified candidates and the non-UGC NET candidates also vacancies are there here. So let us see, guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. So online applications are invited for various teaching and non-teaching posts in the university, and the important dates are online registration starts from 2nd December to 30th December 2020, and the last date for submitting the hard copy of the online submitted application is 15th January 2021. And coming to the application fee, 1,180 including GST and 590 rupees including GST for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. Okay, so these are the application fee details, guys, and here you can check down the important dates as I already shown you. And coming to the details of the post are mentioned here: professor, associate professor and assistant professor. So professor category architecture and associate molecular biology, history, sociology, mathematics and agriculture. And coming to the assistant professor, agriculture and mechanical engineering, molecular biology and biochemistry, computer science, foreign languages, school of social science history, tourism and hospitality and biotechnology. So these are the assistant professor vacancies, guys, and a few more non-teaching positions are also there, so you may check down here. Okay, so appointed candidates will be paid the salary as per the notifications, Government of Punjab, Department of Finance, and the upper age limit of the post is 65 years. And coming to the qualification for the professor and associate professor and for the assistant professor. So for the assistant professor category in the agriculture, BSc and Masters in Agriculture with NET qualification. And coming to the assistant professor in mechanical engineering, first class master's degree in appropriate branch of the engineering and technology. So these are the required things. And for the mechanical, the NET SLET is not there, so that's why it is not necessary to the mechanical candidates. And assistant professor in molecular biology and biochemistry, computer science, foreign language, school of social science, tourism and hospitality and biotechnology. Here the good academic record in the master's degree level and the UGC NET, CSIR NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there. So these are the qualification details, guys. So these are the vacancies coming to the Guru Nanak Dev University notification. And while coming to the next second state university is Chaudhary Charan Singh University. Of course, here this PDF is not looking good, but see, guys. Here the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there, and the assistant professor is a level 10 category. Okay, so the departments are genetics and plant breeding, English, physics, political science, education and sociology. So these are the departments here. And coming to the application fee is 1,000 rupees for UR, OBC and 750 rupees for SC and EWS candidates. And printout of online application form duly completed in all respects along with the self-attested documents is to be submitted by registered or the speed post to the mentioned address. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. And while coming to the eligibility conditions, so post graduation with 55% and anyhow 5% relaxation may be there, and here the UGC NET or SLET or set qualification must be there. So these are the eligibility conditions for the assistant professor, guys. So if you want to get the more details, then I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications regularly like this. And after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.